And it says that it's got planning permission already granted. So planning permission is already in place. Now, is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's neither good nor bad. It just means that some of the profit's already been taken, because a lot of the profit in development is in getting planning. So if you find sites that have already got planning, that's okay, but it means you're not going to make as much profit as you would if you're the person that got the planning. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah. Okay, so this has got development site. You're going to be able to build 4 houses. It's currently 1.165 million. What do you say the end value will be?
So they would sell for around 350, 400 each.
350, 400 each.
If you take 350 each, that would be 3,150,000.
All right. Well, it looks very interesting. I'd need to obviously spend a bit more time doing due diligence before I could say if it was good or bad. But great find. Give the ladies a hand. Give them a hand. All right. Anyone got anything better? Naomi has. These guys have. You've got something better. You got something better. Naomi, you look very excited. What is it? 1 million profit. What is it? Already got planning permission?
Yes.
Where is it? Guildford. Oh, London. Okay. What you got? Has it got planning already? See, I like it when it's not got planning. Is it very conservative? All right, go on. Give me the postcode. CN1. CM1.
3BU.
3BU. Okay. I'm just going to take off the land as a house. All right, let's have a little look, see at this. Is that it? Oh, okay. So what are you thinking?
So I'm thinking about turning the 3 bed into a big 6-bed house, and at the bottom of the garden putting another 3 bed.
Okay. Oh, right. Development opportunity, Chelmsford. Hasn't got planning.
Some other places have got they've built the garden as well.
All right, come on up the front. Come on up the front. Come on, guys. All right, give them a massive big hand. Clap, 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 clap. 1, 2, 3, and yes. All right, good. So, firstly, go on, pictures on this deal. Why is this better than the other 2 that we've just seen?
Well, this is a quite small area close to the town centre. Chelmsford is quite a nice area as well.
Yeah.
Conservatively, we're probably looking at about 275, 300.
275, 300 profit.
Well, we think we have to do more than that.
Okay, so you've got this house, and this house in itself, it says that it needs a little bit of work. Is that correct?
Yeah, so we're thinking about converting that into a 5-bed or a 6-bed. There's a 5-bed that sold in 2016, just down the road for 600 grand.
Now, I like this. This has got another day and a half before the closing date finishes for all offers. So it's going to be just a case of higher offer. There's no planning permission applied for, so they've never gone for planning before. But pre-app is available. Okay, good. So you're thinking to refurb it, make it beautiful, but then also to build a house here at the bottom of the garden. So guys, do you think that could be possible, yes or no? Well, there is access, isn't there? Because there's a road here. So if you were to build a house here, people would come down this road and then they'd be able to go to the house.
Yeah, we were also thinking of adding a side extension as well.
Okay.
To make that from a 3-bed into a 6-bed.
So you'd need to, obviously you need to get planning permission. You need to drop the curb, and there's a few things that you need to do. That's all normal. But would it be fitting with the area? Well, I think it probably would be.
Yeah.
It's a house there would look fine. It would look fitting. I really like this one as well.
Yeah, we had a look at the Google Street View to have a look at from a bird's eye view.
Yeah.
And that was, it was.
Okay. So, pass the mic. What's your name, brother?
I'm Manning.
What's that?
Manning.
A Menning.
Yes.
Tell these guys why your deal's the best.
Well, it's the best because it's great opportunity.
Why you need to be looking at them.
Yeah, it's great.
Because these houses, this is another thing I'll look at, right? This is on for 600,000. Let's have a look at how much the general houses are going for. They might have put it as a premium.
Yeah, so we're looking at for a 3-bed, like 475 to 550.
Okay.
And like I said, the 5 bed is down the road, so obviously 600 grand.
Yeah, I can see that. Because look, even though like the little crappy terraced houses are going for 325, but houses that look similar, I mean, this is 425.
Yeah, 3-bed detached went for 535,000 on 31st of March.
So you've probably got a gross development value with 2 detached houses of about £1 million. Right?
I think maybe 1.2 billion. Between a million.
This is where we need to do due diligence.
Yeah.
But if you bought that for 600, it would probably cost 150 grand to build another house. So you're talking about 750 all in. I can see, I'd have to do more due diligence, but why you could easily make a few £100,000 clean profit from this one deal. I can see it happening, subject to planning and further due diligence. Do you guys like it? Yeah. So here's what we're going to do. If you guys could stand at the corner of the stage together, I'll take the mic. Stand at the corner of the stage. My Sheffield guys, could you guys come? And could you just stand just here, right here? And then my landladies, come on up. You can stand in the middle. And here's what's going to happen. So the winning team are going to receive a cash prize of £100. And I do have £100 in my pocket. I got 2 crisp £50 notes. Now, guess what's more valuable than the £50 note? What's more valuable is the lesson, yes or no? Yes. I mean, you know, Ryan paid me £3 grand for a dinner and then went on and made £300,000 on his first deal. So this is not a lot of money. This is just for fun. However, I'm going to give the money to the group or the partnership that gets the loudest cheer in a moment. So let's just refresh ourselves on the deal. So we've got this deal that you've just seen. Then with the ladies, they found the land, the big piece of land. And then our Sheffield guy, oh, I did like that. Okay, so we've got Sheffield that found this. Then we've got the Chelmsford property, and then we've got the land. So Sheffield is this, the land opportunity, and Chelmsford. Do you all remember what the projects are, yes or no? Yes. Now I'm going to give you each 30 seconds to tell everybody why your deal was the best. Then we're going to vote in form of cheering. So, ladies, you can go first. All right, amazing. So give them all a hand. All right, give them all a hand. All right. So Chelmsford, land, and Sheffield. So when I point to them, you've got to cheer. Whoever gets the loudest cheer is going to win the £100 cash prize. So Sheffield, land, Chelmsford. Oh, hold on. All right, land was probably the quietest chair, so well done on the exercise. Go and grab a seat, give him a big hand. It's between let me remind you of the deals. It's between the Sheffield deal, which is this one, and the Chelmsford deal, which is this one. Okay, so this is Chelmsford. Nice, like it. And this is Sheffield. So we'll do one last time, see who gets the loudest cheer. So for Sheffield, cheer now. Chelmsford, now. I'm going to say, I think just about, the winner is Sheffield. All right, well done. Grab your seats, well done.
Hi, I'm Andy. We've just come to the crash course today, the development crash course. We're trying to find deals based all over the country, and we found a deal just now.
Yeah, my name is George. I'm from Southampton. Like Andy just said, we've come down today to find deals, development deals, different obviously styles, different opportunities. We managed to find one today on stage, and out of all the groups, we got voted the best opportunity.
Yeah. And before coming here today, did you guys know how to find these opportunities, or?
No, we didn't know. We've just been on Rightmove and just looked at lots of opportunities on there, and from Samuel Leeds' help, we've just been able to find a really great deal that would become a very good development opportunity.
Brilliant. What was the deal? You know, talk us through the deal. What was it?
The deal was a 2-bedroomed house with potential of building another house on the side. The 2-bedroomed house could be demolished itself and built into a 4-bedroomed house. Just lots and lots of potential. So the potential of building two 4-bedroomed houses.
Yeah. And to anybody watching who wants to get into development, what would you say to them in terms of this event?
Just start looking and...
Yeah, I'd say get yourself down to the course. I mean, I'm on advanced training as well in the academy, and it's really helped me. Development side as well. I'd say get down to the course and see how it is. I mean, Samuel's a great guy, lovely energy, and yeah. I mean, it's a different ball game altogether, really. Obviously, development's a lot bigger, a lot more profit in it. But yeah, I'd get down to the free training, say you feel, and then if you want to, invest into further education.
Brilliant. Any last words of motivation for anybody watching?
Just if you're interested in property, just come and see one of the crash courses, Samuel Leeds, and there's just lots of potential to be basically to become financially free
And get comfortable being uncomfortable.